Hello everybody and welcome to Hershey's Chocolate World. Now this is sort of a free chocolate tour experience that you can actually do here at Hersheypark. I've never been here before, I don't know much about it, but let's not waste any more time. Let's just hop right inside, see what they have to offer. PSA, masks are required for unvaccinated individuals. But let's head on in and see what they have to offer here. And they do close at 7. I see roller coasters. There's Sky Rush. Wow, look at this. They've got the 4D chocolate movie, Hershey's Chocolate World, Hershey's Unwrapped, a chocolate tasting journey. And then over there is the Hershey's Chocolate Tour, which I believe is the free ride that you can actually do here. And of course, if you want Hershey stuff galore, they've got all your s'mores plush. What is this? More Hershey's inspired merch. I guess if you're a chocolate connoisseur, you'll love it here. Hershey's sweatshirt, a visor, mugs, lots of different stuff. And here is the chocolate tour. Going up to the ride. Now, this is a free experience that anyone can do without a ticket to the park or pay to do, and it's like a dark ride, just like something you might find at Disney. So I've never actually done this before. Let's see how it goes. Should be a lot of fun. And I believe this is Milton Hershey, the company's founder. Keep on going up. Now they close in only about 20 minutes, but I assume if you come like middle of the day, the line would be really backed up through here. And walking down, this looks to be a complete timeline of the company. Here's some interesting facts as you go down about the process of making the chocolate. And it takes 270 beans to make 1 pound of chocolate. Wow. The more you know. Look at this. It looks just like Figment at Epcot.
For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Hi, folks. Welcome to our dairy farm. The Hershey goodness starts right here with your forever milk.
It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pod. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor. We pour the blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters, which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it? Next, we quickly cool the beans and feed them into our breaking chamber, which cracks open the shells at high speed. Inside each shell are tiny pieces called cocoa nibs.
Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high-quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then write in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together.
It's
grind the chocolate crumb into a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed down earlier and add a dash of vanilla. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture, and of course, that wonderful smell. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
Hi everybody! These concha machines use big granite rollers to smooth and transform refined crumb into milk chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing the rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate.
Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate in special dark bars.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolates.
Aw, thanks, Alex. That's so sweet.
It looks like our packages are ready to go. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey's Chocolate World.
Thank you. And when you get off, you get a free Hershey's milk chocolate bar. And I guess this is where the food court is. Got different food items there. The Hershey's workshop over there. Got ice cream and milkshakes right here. So much goodness in one little spot. Oh my goodness. And look at the view of Candemonium, one of my most anticipated coasters to ride here tomorrow when I finally go to the park. Oh, there it is running right now. Let's see it run once. There we go there. That looks like so much fun. Can't wait to do that tomorrow. Man, look at this view right here. The money shot. There it goes again. This is actually how you judged your height markers if you're tall enough to ride the rides based on the size of the candy. So Hershey's miniature bars are like 4 if you're not quite tall enough for the big rides, and then Jolly Ranchers and Twizzlers are like if you're tall enough to ride maybe the bigger thrill rides. And then here's the main gate to the park, which the park actually closed about 5 or 10 minutes ago. So we're doing that tomorrow. There will be another vlog for that, so be on the lookout for it. Today was really just sort of a little taste of what we can expect tomorrow by visiting Chocolate World down there. But we'll be back tomorrow, so don't worry. And if you look just down here at the plaza to the entrance of the park, it is like really spacious, and they reinvented, or like they redid the whole front of the park where they just pushed the entrance out towards the parking lot. And so there's just so much more room for activities, and I love it. It's like down here you get your picture with the different characters. I don't know if you can see that. And just so much more room. I love it. Well, there you have it, Hershey's Chocolate World. I didn't really know what I was going to expect here, but I'm glad I did it. This free chocolate tour. Now they do have a Hershey chocolate experience for $50-ish that you can actually do, which you get more for. It's like a paid thing, but the Hershey's chocolate tour, which we did, was free, and it was really neat. Just a sort of Disney inspired type take on a dark ride. Like I said in my King's Dominion vlog, every park I feel like needs a good dark ride, and this is obviously Hersheypark's version of it. So that's all I've got for now. Stay tuned for more. We'll be at the park tomorrow, and see you then. Take care, guys.